No sir, this hike here is not for the weak.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Yes people, welcome back to another video. Today I'm in Arches National Park. Not really sure if I'm gonna do any hiking because it's windy, it's raining, and I don't have the proper hiking boots. I have on sneakers, so not sure if I'm gonna do any hiking today. I'm gonna see how the trails are, but if not, then you guys are just gonna get some scenic look. Alright guys, so like I said, it's raining and I don't think I'm gonna do any hikes because I don't have my hiking boots, but they do have some paved walkways that I'm gonna check out. The first one here, as you can see, is called Balance Rock, so I'm gonna head up there, see if I can get some pictures and videos. All right, so I made it to the Arches Trail. This way. I don't know where I go. The rain isn't falling anymore, so guess what? I'm gonna do the hike. I think it's a 3.2 mile hike to the top and get some pictures of the arch. All right, let's roll. Still making my way to the top to get to the arch. Nice little hike. There you go.
Your arm's not feeling good?
Oh, it's paralyzed.
Oh shit, okay.
Yeah. So now I'm making my way up the, I think, the highest elevation to the very top. One hell of a hill. No sir, this hike here is not for the weak, but I'm almost there. Check out the view. Yes, this lady, we were taking pictures together at the balance rock, and she started about 10 minutes before I did, and I caught up to her. But that's understanding, because trust me, it's not an easy hike. This point is just all right, so I made it over the highest point, and then from here it's just zigzag downhill, up and around. All right, so let's go. literally on side of the cliff, almost to the arch.
Try and get up here.
Made it.
We're good.
Thank you.
Yeah, so it was a nice hike. It was worth it. It wasn't hard. It's just that elevation that you have to walk up is just like straight up, and once you cross that, it's downhill from there. But it was worth it, you know. Yeah, so I'm heading back down now. That was beautiful. If you're ever in Arches National Park, you have to do the delicate arch hike. I think delicate arch hike. All right, you have to do it. It's one of those things like if you come to this park and you leave without doing that hike, it wasn't worth it. It wasn't worth it. All right, so like always, big up on yourself. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, share it, subscribe. Until next time, tomorrow I will be in Canyonland National Park. All right, and that will complete the Mighty 5. Peace. King Kong ain't got nothing on me.